Hello guys, before I start, let me introduce myself. My name is Zaki. Here I want to tell you about my unforgettable experience climbing Mount Merbabu. At that time, I think it was during a school holiday. My friend and I were hanging out at a coffee shop, but honestly, we felt really bored. Then suddenly, one of my friends asked us to climb a mountain. Typical boys, always making random plans like that. In the end, everyone agreed. After we went home from the coffee shop, we prepared everything we need for hiking, such as extra clothes, headlamps, and other hiking equipment. The next morning, all of my friends gathered at my house. If I remember correctly, we left around 10 a.m. After that, we went to Semarang first to take some belongings from my friend's boarding house. Then, we continued our trip to Magelang and stopped at an Islamic boarding school called Pondok Api. We went there because my friend mother asked us to deliver something to her son before our hike. When we arrived there was an event happening at the boarding school. The people told us to stay overnight, so we got rest and not feel too tired. After the dawn prayer, we checked our hiking equipment again to make sure nothing was left behind. Then we continued our trip to the Merbabu base camp via Seloganjik. During the trip, the view was amazing. We could see the majestic Mount Merbabu and Mount Merapi. Everything looked so beautiful. After arriving at the base camp, we registered first, took a shower and prepared ourselves. Honestly, the motorcycle ride was very exciting because the driver rode very fast, like racer. When we arrived at the first gate, we gathered together, prayed, and of course, took many photos. You know, social media kids always want to capture every moment. After taking picture, we continued the hike slowly. Whenever we felt tired, we took short breaks while smoking, drinking, and eating snacks. We also greeted other hikers because the trail was very crowded that day. There were even some open trip group, and one of them jokingly invited us to rest to the top. Finally, we arrived at post 3. Were already many tents there. Because of that, we had to continue hiking to post 4 to set up our tent. When we were building the tent, we did it very quickly because it was about to rain. Some guys from an open trip group even helped us. Like most hikers usually do, we made coffee, prepared snack, watched the sunset, and ate together. Luckily, we could also see the Milky Way clearly that night. It looked really beautiful, and everyone took picture of it. Around 2:30 a.m. we woke up. Okay, masa ikut coba 2:30 a.m. Around 2:30 a.m. we woke up to prepare for the summit attack. After everything was ready, we start hiking to peak. Honestly, the trail was crazy because it kept going up and down again and again. The weather was also extremely cold. Around dawn, we arrived at an open area with very strong winds. Not long after that, we finally reached the summit. The summit was still quiet because we arrived too early and it was still dark. But it was okay because we can't wait for the sunrise there. And honestly, the sunrise was absolutely beautiful. It was as beautiful as her eyes. After taking photos, video, and drinking coffee, we continued our trip through the swanking road. There were also many edible flowers around the area. After feeling tapped, now we finally returned to our campsite, packed our things, and prepared to go home. When we arrived at the base camp, we informed the staff that we had safely descended the mountain. After taking a shower at the base camp, we finally went home. So, that was my unforgettable experience climbing Mount Merbabu. Trust me, you should. So, that was my unforgettable experience climbing Mount Merbabu. Trust me, you should visit Merbabu at least once in your life. Thank you guys. Bye bye.